Hello students, today we will learn Hebbian learning rule. As I have already told you, the updation of weights in the generalized learning rule. Now this updation of weights in an iterative manner is known as training or learning of neural networks. In case of Hebbian learning rule, for Hebbian learning rule, the learning signal is equal to the neuron's output. Now what is learning signal? It is given as R and it is the output of learning signal generator. So learning signal is basically in this case is equal to output. Output is OI. Now output in turn is a function of weights and input. So here I have written here WIT. T represents the transpose and X represents the input. Now the increase or the increment delta Wi, that is change in weight or updation in the weight of the weight vector. In this case it becomes delta Wi is basically C into R into X. So C is taken as C, R is taken as function of WIT, X, and X is taken as X. So it is taken as delta Wi is equal to C into F of WIT X into X. The single weight vector Wij is adapted using the following increment. Whenever we learn any type of Hebbian learning rule, we have to give the single weight adaptation, that is delta Wij. It means it is the weight that is adapted by a single input. Now here input is J and the neuron which is affected by this input is I. So I represents the neuron and J represents the particular input. So delta Wij is equal to, here it is equal to C into R into X. So same C into R is taken as function of Wi into X. And X is represented by Xj, that is the particular input. So J comes only in this Xj. Otherwise, if we talk about R is the combined effects of all the inputs. This can also be written as delta Wij, which is equal to C into R into X, where R is equal to output in case of Hebbian learning rule. As we can see in this diagram, there are number of inputs, that is x1 to xn, and we are having different weights Wi1 to Win. And here we are having the output. Now this output is directly given as R because it is unsupervised type of learning. So it is directly given as R, and change in weight or updation in weight is given by C into R into X. So the learning rule requires the weight initialization at small random values around Wi is equal to 0 prior to the learning of network. The Hebbian learning rule represents a purely feed-forward, unsupervised type of learning. The rule states that if the cross product of output and X, if the cross product of output and input or correlation term of OIXJ is positive, this results in the increase of weight. That is Wij increases in that case. Otherwise the weight decreases. Therefore, frequent input patterns will have most influence at the neuron's weight vector and will eventually produce the largest output. This is all about the Hebbian learning rule.